This episode of Cooking with Skell is going to be cooking figs. Show y'all how we get them. You pick all the good brown ones. See, that's right. That's a good brown one. You don't want to get the green ones or the one that's semi-green. That one got a little bit green on it, but not too bad. You want all the good brown ones. And it's good to pick in the evening or in the mornings when the peak soleil of the sun don't get you. Because in this heat, it's hard to pick some figs. But I'm going to saute that in a Magnalite with 2 1/4 cup of sugar to make my syrup. It's going to be good. Figs for my toast and my biscuits in the morning. Cooking with Skell, yeah! So we're doing right now, we're finished washing the figs in baking soda, rinse them. Now we're cutting the stems off. Preparing the figs to put in the Magnalite on the stove with a load of sugar, which makes them good. These figs will be used at the houseboat during duck and deer season, eat for a snack, or when coming off deer stand or duck blind. Tona, c'était bon. So we're getting ready to put the figs on the stove, but first of all comes the good part, some sugar. Sugar is what makes it the best. Now they're gonna make their own syrup as they cook down. You want a lot of sugar. I put about 2 1/2 or 2 1/4 cups per Magnalite. That's gonna be so good. How y'all doing? On this episode of Cooking with Skell, we're making fig preserves. Oh, and look at the finished product. Tona, c'était bon. What we're gonna do now, they've been cooking in syrup for about 1 1/2 hours with lots of sugar. Now is the canning process. We'll put so many into can. And we're gonna put the lids on. Got our lids over here. Ooh, that looks good, huh, y'all? Cooking with Skell. Thank y'all, like and subscribe. Fig preserve. Now it's time for the taste test. We can these figs to go to the houseboat, catfishing, duck hunting, deer hunting, or really just a snack in between touring or doing yard work. We put plenty of sugar in our syrup, so it must be good. Gonna be good. Tona, c'était bon. Cooking with Skell. Perfect amount of sugar, and the syrup is so good. Blessed to have a fig tree in my yard. Yo, this is a perfect dessert for biscuits, pancakes, coming off deer stand and duck blind, or just in between snack for tours. I appreciate y'all following Cooking with Skell. We're coming up with more recipes, more shooting videos. Thank y'all for following. Like and subscribe to skellsoutdooradventures.net, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And now go to our YouTube channel. We are breaking ground with our YouTube channel, but we're about to get more footage and content. Thank you for all my likes, followers. It wouldn't be for y'all, I couldn't do this. Let me bring y'all a little bit of swamp and cottage heritage to y'all kitchen. Cooking with Skell, yeah?